We use drip irrigation in our garden beds here. The main advantage is that we can water underneath the story, so we don't have leaf wetness issues that could promote disease and challenges in management from that standpoint. Also provides some convenience. We've got it hooked in our automation system that we have here for our irrigation. So it facilitates us leaving the home and not having to be here tending the garden every day. As opposed to overhead watering, the drip irrigation provides a couple advantages. One is we don't have disease issues that you can have with overhead watering. Another advantage, the drip system, is it uses less water, so we can be more efficient with our watering. Our system that we have set up here is really more for supplemental irrigation. This year we might need more than supplemental irrigation, but our original setup here is really for supplemental. For us, the drip irrigation system works best. We find it pretty convenient, again, as I mentioned earlier, for timing purposes, for limiting the amount of water that we use, to limit the amount of disease that we have in the upper canopy of the plants, and to target some of our irrigation, particularly directly to some of the plants that we have in our beds.